a little bit of lathering up. First, oil-based cleanser. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamila Daura. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. If you are new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a post-workout facial. If you are someone that work out, you know, you sweat, and you know that sweating, some people just go on to like just wash their face and, you know, like in shower and forget about it. But there are better ways you can actually do that, and that is just going to help you take advantage of the toxins your skin had brought out through your pores, because that is what sweating is, toxins that is brought out in fluid form through our skin's pores. So pardon my ashy lips, I just finished working out. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you learned something from it. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so you get notified for every time I upload a new content on this channel. The reason why it is important for you to do some certain routines when post workout is because like I said, we want to take advantage of things that our skin had brought out, the toxins, you know, want to take it out properly. Another benefit is that during that sweating process, your skin gets heated up, your body gets heated up. That heating up of your body kind of lifts off dirt from your face, and it is not sufficient for you to just cleanse your face once. So post-workout, you are going to double cleanse, and double cleansing practically means using an oil-based cleanser versus a non-oil based cleanser, and you always go in first with your oil-based cleanser. For the oil-based cleanser I'm going to be using today is this Clarins, I know it's tiny, is this Clarins velvet milk cleanser, cleansing milk. So it's a cream it's a cream consistency. This is what it looks like, and I'm just going to massage that into my skin for a start, and you see how it is an oil-based cleanser. Bring it into your neck as always, forehead, nose, under eye, chin, and I hope you're cleansing your face for up to 1 minute. That is a rule of thumb for facial aesthetics. You see the immediate shine it gives to my face, and that is the oil in it. You see, we're going to be doing things like we are in a spa and a professional is doing it for you, because I am a professional. So I'm just going to warm up my towel. You know, in the spa they kind of do it like this because they don't put it all over your face, and you know, yeah, but this one we are doing it all over the face. So this is our first cleanser. For the second cleansing of the face, what I want to use today is going to be an oil-free acne wash. This is because I have an oily skin and acne prone skin, and there are chances that my pores will get clogged from the sweating and from the sweating that have mixed up with my skin's oil. So I'm going to use this salicylic acid. It's drugstore, it's very affordable. I always have this. I stock up on this because it's actually very good. If you want to feel bougie, the Dr. Dennis Cross AHA BHA is a good product for you to use. So always lather up before you apply on your face. So this way, then you come in and work it into your skin. You like just work it properly in your face, and do that for 1 minute. My cheek is my problem area, like right around my jaw area, so I'm focusing more there. I mean, if I'm going to have a pimple come out, that is where it will first show up before anywhere. So we have double cleansed the face. The next thing I want to do before anything else is I want to extract my pores. This is because, again, my skin is definitely dilated. I can see them. I can see my pores. You can't see it because you don't have a magnifying lens close. So I mirror. So I'm going to use this now to unclog the pores that are dilated, that I can visibly see white heads in them. You see this? And that is because of the workout. If you try anyone that does not come out, don't force it, just leave it, give it time. For my nose, I just do sweeping motion, and that is me just dragging the extractor head on top of my nose, because you can't really find, the nose is a very hard structure of the face, so you can't really find a specific pore except it's really cystic, like it's huge, it's there in your face. So the sweeping motion is really okay. And usually post-workout pores are almost very tiny. They form out almost immediately, like as your body is pushing the sweat into your skin, you see them forming almost immediately. So this is all we have going on my face, and this is better than it's better for you to take it out, no matter how little. It's better than leaving it in there. So take that extra time and take advantage of the fact that they are open. They are there for you to like pick out, not just leave it in there, because that is where they begin to get infected in such a way that they turn to blackheads, and even at that you have to take it out. But if you pinch on them, then you are applying tension to your skin, then you are going to leave your skin wounded. That is where you now get the actual pigmentation marks and all those things. So the next thing that I'm going to be doing is going in with a face mask. I am not going to exfoliate because if I wanted to exfoliate, I would have done that before extracting my pores. But since I extracted my pores since I extracted my pores already, I'm not going to exfoliate. And exfoliation could either be using a chemical product or use an actual physical sugar scrub to scrub, but I did that yesterday, so I don't need to do that today. But the next thing you're going to go in with is this face mask. This is a clay mask. You can use any clay mask. I'm trying to see if I have one close by. This is the ancient clay. It could be pink clay, it could be any clay, just some form of heavy clay that can draw out impurities from your skin. And I'll be using this Borghi's Roma one, and it's a brightening mud mask. So just going to, I normally would not go in with my finger. That was very impulsive. So I'm going to apply this, and this is going to like nourish, further remove impurities that I could not get to. And I will go into shower with this. Now I'm going to use another finger to get more, because you don't want to introduce germs into your skincare product. So I'm going to go take my bath now, and once I'm done bathing, I'm just thinking of other things I'd like to do, but I don't really have anything to do. So once, like, I just want to quickly tell you guys, I can feel this mask really getting into my pores. Like, yeah, that is one thing. Always take advantage of when you work out. I look funny talking to you guys like this, but always take advantage of when you work out to squeeze in a facial. Like, I've never felt this mask on my face the way I'm feeling it right now. That is to tell you that my pores are really, really open, wide open, and yeah, it is taking everything in, and I'm so excited. So I'm going to bath, and even when I'm bathing, the steam from my shower is going to still further help open them more. going to get in. When I rinse it, I'm going to take it out with lots of impurities. That is what mud mask or face mask or clay mask do to the skin. Hey guys, so I am done. I had my bath, dressed up, and I want to do the last part of this facial with you guys. I love how my face feels. It feels very clean, and that is the goal. So it is simple face care routine, but I'm going to link everything that I have used in this video. I'm going to link it in the description box just in case. So to start this next set of facial is my toner. We are going to use a toner. This is the Lancome Clarifique toner. It has salicylic acid in it. It's a double essence resurfacing refining brightening dual essence. So I love this. I bought it just to try, but just because of the ingredients on it is the reason why I love it. Let me just quickly read out the ingredients again, because I'm currently trying to stock up on it and I have it in my Sephora cart. It is $95. That is why I've not checked out. When I bought it, it was on discount, it was on sales, and I got it together with the smaller one of this serum. I got it with the smaller one of the serum, the Genifique serum, and I got it at a steal. I should have doubled up on that when I did, but anyways, it has glycolic acid in it, it has salicylic acid, and it has vitamin C. So it is best for normal skin type, but if you also have an oily skin, just because of the salicylic acid it is absolutely good for your skin. So I'm going to just wet my cotton pad. I used to just use it on my face, like just drop it on my face, but I figured it's better to use a cotton pad with it. And when I was using it, the reason why I know that it's a very good product is because I had a dark spot on my nose. I don't know how I got that. These things just show up. So I had a dark spot on my face and it's all gone. It's all faded. Sometimes when you think that these products are not working, they work. They work. It's just for you to blend it or use it in a very good routine. Use the good complementing product, you know, alongside them. Some products will clash, some will work very, very fine together. So I'm so lucky that my products, the only product that I have that clashes with my other product, I'm going to share it with you guys today. It's actually a sunscreen that I'm trying for the first time, so but I'm going to still use it today. And yeah, this is all there is. While we let this, don't forget your neck by the way, but while we let this settle into my pores, we are going to go in with the next product. Is the Lancome Genifique Youth Activating Concentrate. This is a product I've come to love. It is, oops, my leg. This is a product I have come to love. I bought it alongside this and it was a kit. I'm going to go back on to Macy's, go on Macy's website and check. Maybe they still have, because sometimes Macy's tend to be nicer with the way they have their kits and all and for products. So I'm going to go check. So I got it alongside and I just love it. I just love it. This is my second bottle. I bought this product came with the 30 ml and I had to buy the 50 ml bottle, and I'm so glad I did. So this is just something you just rub on your face. People ask, do you work serums into your face, or you just like layer it on? You just layer serums on your face. I know I see some people do like this, but that doesn't work for me. For me, I just love to like rub on, not like massage it, no, because it's supposed to like sit on your face and not disappear totally, because it's some form of shield for your next product. And they call it the engine oil to your car. Serums are engine oil for your skin. They prepare your skin for the next set of products that you're going to be applying. And that brings us to my next product. Look at how far I have used this product. Honestly, I was going to say that I was going to be discouraged about this product. I felt like maybe it's because of the price point. I don't know what carried me to all these high price points, but I I'm trying to convince myself that it doesn't work, but the more I try to convince myself that I'm not seeing an amazing benefit from it, the benefit is right there. This is the Dr. Dennis Gross vitamin C lactic oil-free radiant moisturizer. So this is the one you actually work into your skin, and it's also gently. Don't forget your neck. The reason why I know that this works is because I have ingrowns here, and it kind of have left pigments under my chin or on my neck, so I've not seen it fade in the longest. And the only thing I have been using, the only new product I've used recently is this 3 products that is why I know that these 3 products are amazing. So when I actually added this to my toner and the youth activating serum, they all have different purposes, right? But the toner and these are very good complementing products. And also the Dr. Dennis Gross pill pads, which I use at night. Peep the glow, you see. The next product I'm going to share with you guys is this black girl sunscreen. Clashes with every other thing that I use because it's a matte product, and I never thought it was going to make me it was going to clog my pores, but it does clog my pores. I have not read the ingredient list, to be sincere, to know what is inside it, and maybe if I do or if I did before I bought it, I would have known that something is inside that will clog my pore. This is what it looks like. It's just a gel based consistency. I just checked the ingredient list, and it doesn't say much on the ingredient list other than the things that sunscreens contain. Like it's totally unseen. Like you can wear it and under your makeup. I recommend this for a lot of people, and people have never complained about it. So that is why I'm convinced that there's just something in the ingredient list that is hidden. I feel there is oil in it, but I just don't know the kind of oil that is in it. They don't have it on here what ingredient is in it. They also don't have it on Ulta Beauty website where I bought it. It only has avobenzone, homosalate, and the review is actually not good review. That is, I should have listened to it. Oh, okay, so I guess somebody did a better homework than myself, and she said, so I wanted to try black girl sunscreen but was deterred by the word moisturizing because I have an oily skin. I went to Ulta to pick it up. I got it home and applied a pea-sized amount to my face, and it sat and sat and sat on my face. It was so oily that it never absorbed into my skin, which is true. Like it sits right there. It doesn't, you can see the sheen, but you don't see the product like how you'd expect some sunscreen. It sits right there, but you can feel the oiliness of the product. I was curious, so I looked at the ingredients to see what could be causing this. The first ingredient is aloe vera. Makes sense, the gel. But the next 2 ingredients are shea butter, which it doesn't clog my, I use shea butter for my body butters, but there are also carrier oils inside my body butters, and coconut oil. So I guess that is why it clogs my pores. So this product is going to feel oily on the skin because of what it is. It is not mattifying by any standard, and this is honestly the truth. It does not mattify your skin, but it will sit on, it sits well with makeup. So this is it. This is my face, guys. I have done my skincare for the day, and I love how my skin feels. Other than the sunscreen, you see the sheen on my face is the sunscreen that is causing it too. But anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you are seeing my face for the first time, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Bye and stay blessed.